guys? Marty Schwartz here. I'm going to teach you a cool little acoustic blues lick that I like a lot. It's for the key of E, which is great for acoustic blues. That kind of thing. And so what we're going to do is we're going to start with this cool little double stop lick. Ring finger on the 3rd fret of the high E. Middle finger on the 2nd fret of the B. And I just bend it a little bit, not a lot, just a tiny little character bend. Like a quarter tone bend, I think they call it sometimes, but that kind of thing. Then, this is the cool lick. We want to practice alternating our picking, and so from there I go like this. So high E and then the B. And then ring finger on the 3rd fret of the high E with a little nudge. Then the same thing, and then 3rd fret on the B. And also that double stop lick. You can combine them in different orders. And for a little garnish on top, you go down the blues scale. Just like that. And obviously there's so many different places you can go from there. I was improvising there, just around that concept. You could climb up from this extension. All different blues stuff in there. But that's just a little device I use a lot. Alright, so the remainder of this little lesson module, I'm just going to play a little jam track for you. E blues. Try some of this stuff out. You don't have to even click on another video. We're just going to jam it right now. It's up to you to make it spicy. Here we go. 1, 2, rock it out. you dug that. We'll see you later.